Okay, today we have the non-farm payroll, the NFP, and as usual, uh, every first Friday of the new month. So happy new month, everybody. Today is the 1st of November, and of course, 2024 is rounding up. So NFP tends to bring in some good volatility into the market. So if you are not aware, spread could easily increase. You could have like slippage or call, you could have like whipsaws and a whole lot of other things as well. So we always say during high impact news, like the non-farm payroll for today by 1:30 p.m. UK time, it's always best for you to be on the sidelines if you don't know what's going on. So that is what we have for the USD for today. As you can see, by 1:30 p.m. and then 3 p.m., we have the non-farm payroll and then the manufacturing PMI. So we are expecting some good volatility. So what is our prediction? What is our forecast for the USD? Right, for a little while now. Okay, yeah. So in the last video that we did, we talked about the BTC from the weekly time frame. Since we have this chart on, let's just quickly dive into this quickly. We talked about this area of the 74, 75K resistance, and you can see the weekly got there, tested it, and then dropped. Obviously, based on this weekly candle, which is a big one to the upside, we're expecting some form of resistance to come in and then fresh sellers to at least, you know, take this candle back down. And based on this, we were opportune to get opportunity in the market. And this is the trade that we have. As you can see, we're able to get one or two positions in. And we broke here TP1. Here's at TP2. I'm watching this area. I might end up moving my take profit from here and then closing off at this point just before non-farm payroll. I'm watching this whole area closely to see what happens. Maybe a retest of this, maybe a breakout or bounce, whatever the case may be, I might probably close it here. Right? But still on our USD, the DXY, based on the non-farm payroll for today, let's just move over to the DXY. And also don't forget, guys, we have the US elections coming up uh, on the 4th, I believe, of November, a few days. So I expect some serious volatility in the market for the US dollar. And it will be a good one if we can make some pips, and if not, as usual, be on the sidelines. So this is a quick one now from the 4 hours time frame. You remember earlier we said from November, where we said the market has been pushing extremely high bullish on the DXY from the 4 hours time frame perspective, and we'll be looking for a sort of pullback because we have too many untested areas. We have way too many untested areas as support. So this is our little expectation for the USD, and you can use this to compare with the Euro USD as they tend to move in opposite directions. So don't forget, this is the 4 hours time frame. The time frame to look at the market is also very important. So here we have this key area here of supply, and if you look closely, uh, prior to the news coming out in the next like 7 hours thereabout, that will be like two 4 hours candle. So we could have like a push to the upside and then a drop, right? This would be the best case scenario if you want to enter as a seller. And if you want to enter as a buyer, you can look for a push to the downside here that seems to have acted as support and then resistance in the past. Now, as we're still talking about the non-farm payroll, if you check the calendar once again, you'll notice that last month was 254K, but this month the forecast prediction is 108K. So based on what the actual figures will be at 1:30 p.m., we would know whether it's going to be bullish or bearish. So pay attention to this. But at the same time, because the market is going to move very fast, your technicals, as we just said, for this point here, your technicals for this point here will be a good place for selling, for resistance, and here will be a good place for buying, for support, right? And then based on this, we said we're going to pair this with the Euro USD. So let's quickly take a quick look at the Euro USD and see what we have over here. So for this Euro USD, here will be a good place for selling as a point of resistance here. You can see acted as support, acted as resistance, and then somewhere here will be a good place for buying. But this one is a bit far. So let's see how this might be a possible move, and it should still be in line with the movement from this month of October, or rather last month of October, right? All the way down here. So it might just be a pullback, as you can see. If you use a Fibonacci from these highs to the lows, this area might probably be like 38.2. I don't think it's 50. Let's try that and see if I can quickly find the Fibonacci retracement tool. Yes, here it is. So if we do this drawing from this highs all the way to the lows here, okay, now we even see that it does not match with the 38.2 because 38.2 is over here. Oh, wait, hold on. It actually does. This is 38.2 here. So we have some form of confluence here at 38.2, right? So let's see if the price can push higher to this point and then look for price action. Let price action be the one to lead the way. Look for price action that could easily take it back down based on October's move. November just started today. So November could be a pullback of October and then maybe a drop, or whatever the case might be. Make sure that you let the market lead the way and you simply follow. Price action is key. Don't forget, stop loss is also very, very important. Depending on the type of trader that you are, stop loss is very, very important because of the usual whipsaw, slippage, spread increment, and the things that could easily happen, right? So you need to protect your account, number one. So we're going to be rounding up this video here. We have been able to talk about the USD index, the DXY, with respect to what happened October, and probably a pullback from October's, bullish move on the DXY, and over here, a pullback on the Euro USD from the 4 hours time frame, a pullback on this Euro USD to this area here that has confluence with 38.2, where you look for a sell to take it further down. But whatever the case might be, please protect your account accordingly, right? Because today is a day that a lot of traders are going to crash their account. It's not a cause, it's a normal phenomenon. And you're going to see based on the market, based on the reaction. Don't forget, the US elections is around the corner as well. So the market could easily, move in volatile manners. And you might not even need any news to do that. It's because that period is going to be jittery. There's going to be, some things happening here and there. So you need to always trade with caution. Caution. Expect the unexpected always. Okay, so with that said, I want to say thank you guys for joining us. It has indeed been a good one. We'll catch you same time. Please protect your account accordingly. If you have any questions, use the comment section below. And if you have your own analysis, quickly drop it before the NFP comes out, and then we'll rub minds on it together. Thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of the day, and goodbye for now. Cheers.